Happy Christmas.
Hello everyone. Okay, ignore my messy hair. I'll probably do something with it here in a minute. But I just got finished filming my quick one-take video, which I plan on making this one a little bit longer and more enjoyable. But, you know, putting up a one-take is better than putting up nothing. I normally would film and then schedule it to go up the next day. But, yeah, so this one that I'm filming now, it will go up tomorrow afternoon. Probably around 3 or 4. So, I would like to try and erase that and put up a Christmas tree just like I did last year. And I have my Grinch up so far. That's the only Christmas thing I have put up right now. I still have my Hocus Pocus wall hanging, but who cares? I'm keeping that up because it's cute and it's mine. I can do whatever I want to with it, and it's not gonna hurt anything. It's not hurt anything. So anyway, today I didn't do a whole lot today. I had to clean out the cat box and take it out. And I swept up the back living room a little bit. So, yeah, and guess what, guys? I think Ingrid is on her last 2 legs. I'm hoping I will be off later tonight or in the morning. If not tonight, I'm crossing my fingers and toes, hoping that I'm off tomorrow so that I can be not tired and not feel ugh. So, but at least yesterday I had sucked it up and I did it. So, yeah, so I don't know what else I'm gonna film. I think I want to watch a Christmas movie later. Last night I was watching the Flintstones. Okay, there's this one in particular episode of the Flintstones that I like because I think it is super funny. It's called Real Trouble. You've probably seen it. I could watch that one all day and just laugh my butt off. I fell asleep through it, and I would normally stay awake through the whole thing and watch it. But no, I fell asleep, so I must have used up a lot of energy cleaning house. And our house is nice and clean, so it's worth it. And it's awfully quiet. I might put on some Christmas music or something here in a little bit, just because it's way too quiet. And I'm gonna draw my Christmas tree, but first I'm gonna erase that tornado. So let's hop to it. It's a few hours later. It's 7:30 at night, And I just made me some hot chocolate. I'm letting it sit and cool for a little bit. I had a sweet and sour chicken TV dinner for supper tonight. And just something quick and easy. Finally have my medicine here so I can take it in the morning, thankfully. Can you believe that we have 19 days until Christmas? Yep, 19 days. It's crazy to think about it. I feel like this whole year has flown by. It really has. And let me tell you something funny that happened earlier. The groceries got here between 4 and 5, and I was thinking, 4:30, 4:40, 4:30, 5 o'clock, somewhere around in there. But according to Walmart, it's either they'll be here at 4, if not 5. So it's an hour window. So next time, I'll have to remember that next time. I feel so stupid because we were sitting there waiting, and it looks like, little did we know, they already came. And she showed me the text, and I was thinking, okay. She asked, did you get the food in? And said yes. And no, I was like, what groceries? And I totally forgot. Oh well, crapola happens. But yeah, I'm just sitting here chilling. They're in there watching The Voice. You can probably hear it on the other side of that wall. But anyway, how do you like my Christmas tree? I think it turned out pretty cute. I mean, last year's Christmas tree turned out cute too, but it's a lot quicker and easier than putting one up. Like, by this time next year, hopefully I'll be back there in the atrium, and if that's the case, I might get a small Christmas tree to put up in there. I would like to get one of those peppermint candy ribbon Christmas trees, because for one, red is my favorite color, and to be honest with you, I'd leave it up all year long. 18 days, 1 hour, 40 minutes, and 41 seconds till Christmas. Well, that's crazy to think that. It's already 12:30 at night. Man, time flies. I am just sitting here watching YouTube, and it was 10 o'clock, and now it's 12:30. But I'm probably going to go to bed here in just a little bit, and I will check in with you in the morning and go from there. So I think, I hope you enjoyed that, like the robot band that you just watched. I loved it. I really, really did. And I had to share it. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and close out. Hope you enjoy me drawing my Christmas tree. Maybe this is a little bit more pleasurable for you, but anyway, yeah. Peace out.